Hello children, welcome back to our next class of political science lesson number 2, that is the electoral process. So yesterday I told you about process of election. Now today we'll see the flow chart, which is very important, and this flow chart is compulsory to learn for your board examination. Process of election, establishment of constituency. See this flow chart, it is uh, the process of election. How elections takes place during various stages. So first we'll see establishment of constituencies, followed by finalizing voter list. So previous slide I told you the function of election commissioner, that what type of function he is going to perform when he is appointed as an election commissioner. So various functions were there. We discuss about that. First, preparing the voter list. His foremost work was to prepare the voter list, decide the timetable and the program of elections, scrutiny of application of candidates, give recognition to political parties, then to resolve any disputes relating to elections. Also, I told you that it was very important on the part of election commission to conduct free and fair elections. Now this flowchart shows that what is the process of election in our country or in any democratic country. The first is establishment of constituency. That means various constituency, total number of members in Lok Sabha is 543, and each member represent one constituency. So that means one person or one candidate will have one constituency. So it means there are 543 constituency of Lok Sabha. Second, finalizing voter list. That means voter list, the people who are going to give their vote, cast their vote, so finalizing voter list according to the age, according to the place, according to the address, various constituency, how many peoples are there, how many people will be included in voter list, how many people will be excluded in voter list, so many things to be checked out for finalizing voter list. Next, nomination of candidates and scrutiny of their nomination forms. So that is very important. Nomination of candidates and scrutiny of their nomination form, that whether the form is totally filled up and what type of loopholes are there, is everything is okay. So all these things will be checked by election commissioner. Next, election campaign, that is very important. You know that campaign, you have already witnessed during your school election, that campaign was there. So election campaign is very important for the candidate. So to aware the people that who are going to stand for, who are there, how many candidates are there to contest election. So election campaign is very important, and for election campaign various symbols are also there, which is approved by election commissioner. Now actual voting, the day when voting day is there, when the people cast their vote, actual voting day. Counting of votes, again now this process has become very easy due to EVM machine, but before 20-30 years it was very difficult to count votes. Results of election, followed by results of election. Again results of election is it is declared in the same day or the next day because of EVM machine. So science and technology has proved, and it is given very much facility or facilitate this election process. So that is very good thing about election, that we got new EVM machine or new type of technology which help during election. Next, last but not least, resolution of result of elections. Result of election. That means it is according to the number of votes which candidate has secured during election. So result of election depends upon different constituency. How many candidates they have stand for their different constituency. So result of elections depends upon number of votes. Last, resolution of disputes regarding election. Sometimes what happen, there is some type of dispute that people they complain that some malpractices have been there, So this type of thing is looked by election. It is checked by election commissioner whether the things are has taken in free and fair manner or not. So if anything is there which is not acceptable, so again re-election will be there. So this type of thing is there in every constituency.